My battery's getting low, but I think I got a little bit extra. Okay, I got this. Now I'm going to be working on this. I'll show you how I do it. I mean, you don't have to spend too long on it. And believe it or not, I found a couple staples, and even a couple nail staples. You know, not the little staples to attach the paper, but the other staples, long ones. Sometimes I come across a nail from the subfloor that's stuck up, and so I just pound it down. And now's a good time too to check for squeaks or anything like that. You can put some nails down, or for a squeak I'd use some screws, you know. I'm just looking for it to be flat. I got my cutters, my electrical ducts, screwdriver, my putty knife, my hammer, whatever I come across. And you'd be surprised what you find if you go through this. Because I already found a couple staples that were kind of crooked, that could have bulged the floor. Done twice over on this, but it's funny how you still find things. And I like to do this last little bit because then you're assured of nothing else being on your floor, you know? There's a nail, and that's stuck out because they probably missed the floor joist. There's one. That one should have been over. I see how they missed it. That one right there should have been here. Here's another one stuck up. Working good, just scraping off little edges right there. Okay, so I'm just going to keep at it. I don't have that much more to do. Then I'm assured that everything looks nice. I'll nicely sweep that up. And I just do one bit at a time. If it's daunting for you, just pick out a piece of plywood. Only work on that. Then work on this next bit to there. Then work on from that line to here for the plywood on that edge. And then do the rest of that. Don't try to skip around and jump around. Do it nice and even and get it all, and you'll be assured that your floor is nice and flat for your vinyl planking or any other planking or vinyl flooring for that matter. Planking, that is. Okay. All right. Guess I better keep it going. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.